Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to open your Alfa Romeo Giulia hood. First, locate the hood release lever inside the car. It is typically found on the driver's side, near the door sill, or under the dashboard. Give this lever a firm pull. You should hear a distinct click, indicating that the primary latch has released. This action prepares the hood for the next step, allowing you to access the engine bay. Now move to the front of your Alfa Romeo Giulia. Look directly under the front edge of the hood, usually above the grille. You will find a secondary safety latch there. This latch is a crucial safety feature. Depending on your model, you might need to push it to the side or lift it upwards. Once you operate this latch, the hood will be completely free to open. With the safety latch released, you can now gently lift the hood. It should open smoothly with minimal effort. Once the hood is up, find the prop rod. This rod is typically located either attached to the underside of the hood itself or within the engine bay. Carefully place the end of the prop rod into the designated slot to hold the hood securely in the open position. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its slot and secure it back in its original position. Then, gently lower the hood until it is approximately 12 inches above the closed position. Do not drop it from a great height. Finally, apply firm, even pressure with both hands on the front edge of the hood to ensure both the primary and secondary latches engage securely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.